You need to see this. We think of it as a Bitcoin gold rush. We need to accumulate as much Bitcoin as we can to get to a point where we've reached escape velocity, and it just makes it very difficult for others to catch up. This was said in a recent interview with the Financial Times by Simon Gerovich, the CEO of the Japanese hotelier Metaplanet. And Metaplanet really is trying to buy as much Bitcoin as they can. In fact, they currently hold 15,555 BTC, worth approximately $1.7 billion US. But do you know their story? Because their journey from primarily a Japanese hotelier to primarily a Bitcoin treasury company is fascinating. They were originally known as Red Planet Japan, but then in the 2010s they became the budget hotel operator Metaplanet. Then they were hit hard by the pandemic in 2020 and had to sell all but one hotel, which is situated in Tokyo. Then in 2024, after years of circling bankruptcy, they pivoted to becoming a Bitcoin treasury company. And that Tokyo property became the Bitcoin Hotel, which opens its doors in Q3 2025. And this Bitcoin strategy, if you will, has paid dividends. Since January 2024, Metaplanet stock is up over 2,000%, and it's up over 1,800% in the past 12 months. But the firm isn't slowing down with the play, they're ramping up. Metaplanet's aim is to hold 1% of Bitcoin's maximum supply by 2027. That is 210,000 BTC. This has become the objective a number of Bitcoin treasury companies have set, but that very few will reach. In fact, the more who try, the more will fail. Then running parallel to this, Metaplanet want to put the Bitcoin to work and use it as collateral to buy profitable businesses, including a digital bank in Japan. So that's the story of perhaps the second most famous Bitcoin treasury company, but really it's a reminder. Some seriously heavy hitters want hordes of Bitcoin, and there really just isn't that much to go around. So if you hold any Bitcoin, keep that in mind.